How you doing, guys? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Jason Morrison. As you guys already know, as creators, as filmmakers, as YouTubers, or whatever it is, we're always looking to step up our Instagram game. We're always looking to have our Instagram be on point. Always trying to have our best shots and best footage, best content up on our Instagrams. And you know, sometimes it can be a little bit of a more anxiety-ridden process, especially if you're a perfectionist, or if you just like I said, your Instagram to be really on point, really have those high-quality photos, and you just really want to have your Instagram in the best light, especially if it's part of your business. One little super easy, quick tip I have for you guys that I've been utilizing throughout my time on Instagram and throughout my time just making sure that my photos and my videos look the best that they can be when I upload them to my followers is to use a second account. Believe it or not, guys, as simple as this technique is, it's something that I genuinely use every time I go to upload on Instagram when it comes to my film content. And when I want to have my, my best quality photos, best quality videos uploaded onto my main Instagram, is to have a second account. And the reason why you want to do this is because, you can upload it onto that feed. Nobody's following this account. It's completely private, and you're able to see how your posts, how your feed, how everything is going to look before you upload it onto your real Instagram, and before, your followers are going to be able to see it. That way, you already know ahead of time that your Instagram, your feed, your picture, your video, whatever content you're uploading is going to be really dope looking and really high quality before you even get it up there. Now, it's super simple. Like I said, I use this myself. This is my main Instagram account right here, and it's as simple as having just a second account, guys, where you want to go and upload your Instagram content. Now, I started doing this a little earlier this year, but it works. It works really well, and you're able to see your whole feed and everything like that before everybody else gets to see it. What's also really great about this technique, guys, is if you upload your video, you think it's all set, you think it's done, and then you put it up on your stock account or just like your IG test videos account, test your pictures. That's what I named mine. And you just see that it's not quite done. You want to edit it, you want to format it, you maybe want to change the crop, have it maybe take up more portrait space on Instagram. Whatever tweak it is, once you get it up on Instagram and actually physically see it, you're able to kind of see where you want to change things, where you want to leave things and kind of keep them the same. And it just makes your process a lot easier, and it makes it 100% ready to go up on Instagram because you already know how it's going to look to your followers and to your feed. And in the long run, is you guys are weeding out the bad content and not experimenting by uploading it to your followers before it's ready. Eventually, your Instagram feed is just going to be that much better. Your output's going to be that much quicker because you know what's ready to go. And honestly, guys, I think it is just one of those things that you definitely have to have if you're trying to run a business, or even if you want your Instagram feed to look really good without the stress of wondering what everybody else is going to think, or if your picture is actually going to look good once you upload it. Because as we all know, Instagram has compression, or any sort of social media website, Twitter, Facebook, YouTube, whatever it is. You could use the same kind of idea on those platforms as well. I mean, luckily YouTube, you can have your videos private or whatever, so you already know. But for like Twitter, if you want to do that too, have a second Twitter account where no one's going to see your videos and you're going to be able to see the quality before it gets up there. I definitely recommend that small little tip. Like I said, it's something that I do, and I think it's something that you guys should be doing too. Not just for your filmmaker, but if you're a YouTuber as well. So anyways, guys, that was one little quick tip to help you guys up your Instagram game and to help your Instagram content be as high quality as it can be. It's been Jason Morrison. I'll see you guys in the next one. Deuces.